All right, well, the floor people just left. I've been taking pictures, but I thought I would do a video. I don't think still pictures are going to do it justice. We've pretty much gutted everything. This will be the kitchen, sink, and then cabinets, different types and sizes of cabinets, stove. Looking out into the family room with a range hood over top of it, cabinets on each side, and then the peninsula comes out at a right angle. All the way into the dining room, the theater room. We've got a little bit of the flooring laid. And then the office. So most of the paint's done. And then tomorrow they'll start or continue with the flooring. And then I get to put together desks. That'll be fun. There's all the flooring and stuff stacked up. Will be a little dusty in here. I have to definitely do a good deep clean after it's all done. But hopefully the flooring will be done by the end of this week. All right, that's about 2 minutes. I'm going to sign off.